It's a new 2021 Genesis G80. It's an evolution in luxury, engaging the senses with its design, its performance, and its first-class experience. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated bucket seats, remote engine start smart device, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and autonomous cruise control. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crane Highway in Bowie, Maryland.